Hi everyone, today I want to recreate one of my favorite singer, Ariana Grande. Hope you like it and let's jump to the tutorial. First, I want to moisturize my skin with Aloe Natura Aloe Vera Shooting Gel Mist, and I got this one from Sumbermas Madiun. Next, I cover up my dark circle with Maybelline Fit Me 128, which is a tone down from my skin. This is so great to neutralize the dark circle color. Then I use Lakme Skin Brightening Light shade over my face and I blend it with Beauty Blender. Next, I apply concealer from Revlon to the spot that I want to highlight. After that, I'm baking the parts that I put the concealer with Makeover Power Stay Transparent Powder. While waiting for the baking, I draw my brow with Bukalapak Auto Brow Band number 4, which is dark brown. And I define the line with the concealer to make it better. Then I swipe out the baking and put Lakme Compact Powder all over my face. Well, let's do the eye makeup. And first, I use my very first eyeshadow that I have on my life, that is Maybelline the Nudes Palette. And I choose this color as a transition color. Next, I choose this glittery eyeshadow from Maybelline the Rock Nudes Palette over the eyelids. And I'm back into the Nudes palettes and put this dark brown color to my crease. Well done with the eyeshadow, and let's draw the eyeliner with Makeover Precision Liquid Liner. Then I use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to lift and curl my eyelash. After that, I put on the fake lashes from Beauty Professional with the Sweety type. To give more shadows on my face, then I use 3-in-1 Beauty Treats palettes, the contour one. Then I put highlighter with Cheeck You Glow Girl Pink Goddess to the parts that I want to highlight. And finally, let's do the lips. First, I put Emina Choco Lava for the lip line. And then I use Lumicolor my beige shade over my lips. And well, yeah, this is the look that Ariana Grande inspires me. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. I'll see you next, guys. Bye!